All right, this is the 2017 Subaru Impreza. I'm going to show you how to start this car. Okay, first of all, you're going to have your key fob within the car. Okay, it's in the car. Okay, great. All right, next, make sure the car is in park. As you can see, it's in park. And what I'm going to do next is I am going to press my foot on the brake. Okay, the foot is on the brake. And now I am going to press the start button. Okay, start engine. Hold it down for a few seconds, and it starts just like that, okay? In order to turn it off, okay, I usually press my brake, make sure the thing is braked, but you can also turn the engine off just simply by the car's in park right here. I'll have it in park, okay? This is how I'm doing it with in park. You may do it a different way, okay? So I have it in park, and I am going to go ahead and press this right here where it stops the engine. And it stops the engine. Okay, that's how I start and stop the engine in the 2017 Subaru Impreza. Make sure you read your user manual and you abide by your owner/user manual and not by me in this video. Okay, play it safe now. All right, thanks a lot for watching. Hope this video was helpful.